Thank you, school board members and superintendent, for your time tonight. We thank you for your attention to these matters. I'm thankful to hear tonight that facts and data are important to CCISD trustees. I'm thankful to hear that you model what you expect, and I'm thankful to hear that this is personal, because this couldn't be more personal. I'm a special education advocate. I do about 500 IEP meetings a year. I've done it for over 25 years. I love the school district so much that when my last child graduated in 2021, I moved here so that my grandchildren could come to school here. But now I'm appalled at the behavior of the district. I serve an 11th grade student, Rusty Webb, with disabilities at Clear Falls High School, who has an orthopedic impairment, which means he's in a wheelchair. He has a speech impairment, which means he uses a device, and he has a visual impairment. In September of 2022, the parents filed a state due process hearing, their procedural right and procedural safeguards under IDEA and TAC, and we won. We prevailed against CCISD for denying their son a free, appropriate public education and denying them vision supports for a student who is blind. And we assumed it was over, and the district has done nothing to comply with that. It's my understanding that if the school board members knew about this, they would do something about this. So in your hand is a decision from November 22nd, 2022, where the hearing officer actually put in quotations about CCISD that your vision department needs an overhaul. We then contracted with Christine Roman-Lansky, the international expert as it relates to vision impairment, for cortical and vision impairment, and the district chose the least amount of time to rectify this with 8 hours of consult. Now we move forward to May 11th, 2023, where I filed and got a complaint open against the district for the Office of Civil Rights. A student's civil rights continue to be violated, and it's open on disability. September 11th, 2023, the parents then filed a civil matter in the federal court system in Galveston County for a civil action against the jurisdiction. I don't know how this district feels so comfortable about being the only decision I've ever been a part of in 28 years, whether it's a mediated settlement, a dispute resolution settlement, a federal settlement, or a state due process hearing, which as a non-attorney advocate, I'm allowed to represent people, and you've done absolutely nothing but deny this little boy a free, appropriate public education. And every day goes by, and what we can be guaranteed was, we hear you, Mr. and Mrs. Webb. We're so sorry. We're gonna do better at the elementary school. We'll do better at the middle school. We'll do better at the high school. And today we had to file a preliminary federal emergency injunction, because today we sat in another wasteful 2-hour meeting where we were told, we just got to get through the meeting. It's okay that he doesn't have vision services. It's okay that he's denied the use of his VOCD, because we're just going to pass the ball. I know the state entrusted this board with this district. I know that now that you have the information in front of you, you're going to do the right thing to rectify the situation. Thank you.